Yeah.
Okay, good morning. So how are you today?
Good.
Good.
Yeah.
Okay, so welcome to my class. Today we are going to be discussing an important topic, and really important, which is common problems Salvadorian people are facing nowadays. So our topic that is going to be taught today, it's going to be the topic that you see on the screen. Alright? So let me tell you what the objective that I want to achieve is going to be this one. Alright? So would you like to read it, please?
Okay, it says at the end of the class, the students will be able to read and discuss about some common problems people face in El Salvador, using provided information, slides, and groups of three to suggest some possible solutions to the same ones.
Okay, thank you very much. So as you read, that's going to be the topic, the objective that I like to achieve at the end with you guys. Alright? Let me introduce you the agenda. That's going to be the agenda that we are going to be developing in this class. Alright, as you see, we have a review previous learning. Then we are going to move on to a warm-up activity, which is going to be a discussion related with some problems here in El Salvador we are facing. The other is we're going to be reading some common problems. And then eventually we are going to move on to solutions. And finally, we are going to have a wrap-up activity. Alright? Okay, thank you. Alright, review previous learning. What is going to be the purpose of this activity? The purpose of this activity is to elicit student knowledge about the topic. What topic? It says mention some common problems in society. Okay, can you mention some problems that we as a Salvadorian we are facing? Some problems.
In El Salvador?
Yeah.
Okay, violence.
Problems in El Salvador. Okay. Okay. Yes, go ahead. Tell me one.
We have problems with violence.
Violence problems. Good.
Health.
Health problems.
We're having problems with economy as well.
Economy problems. Yes, exactly. Okay, another problem that we are facing. What about environmental problems?
Yes.
Yes, somehow environmental problems are affecting our country. Okay, so it would be environmental problems. Okay, so as I can see, you manage or you have an idea about some problems in general that we are facing here in El Salvador. Alright? Thank you very much. Okay, let's move on to the next activity. Listen, in this activity, I'm going to show you a picture and you are going to tell me what you see in the picture. Alright? For example, it said getting paired, but in this case it's going to be just you and I, so that we can have a better understanding about the activity. Alright? So you're going to explain what problem you see in the picture. And then we are going to take a role to describe. Okay. Okay. I have the first picture. What do you see in the picture?
I see gang members.
Gang members.
Gang members that are not being controlled by the police.
Good. Yeah, that's a good response. What else do you see? If you see in the back of the people, there are some guys with guns, or I would say with some, let's say AK-47. Let's suppose that.
I can see that probably our government is working to solve this problem. Probably that's what it represents to me.
Okay. Okay. Let me show you on the picture. What do you see in the picture?
Okay, I see that we don't really pay attention when people need us.
How? Can you tell me more about it?
In that picture, we can see that the guy.
This guy, right?
Yes, that one. Because the other one is supposed to be the shadow.
Yes.
Okay. I can see the guy chooses, chooses to see
To look aside.
I like to look aside.
Okay.
he doesn't want to look at the guy lying on the floor who actually needs help.
All right. So, do you think that is one typical problem that we have here in El Salvador? What do you think?
It is because people usually look for their own benefits. They don't care about public benefits.
Yes. Sometimes people here in our country, they act as selfish people. Why? Because they don't want to pay attention to some problems that they see. Because they somehow, I guess, they think that those problems are not theirs problems, right? Okay. And I have, yes, go ahead.
The
Tell
thing
me.
is that sometimes we expect something that is called a free ride.
Mhm.
We expect someone else to do something about it. We know there is a problem, but we don't want to solve it. We don't want to be part of the solution.
Okay, good response. Thank you very much. I have one last picture. What can you see in the picture? What kind of problems do you see in the picture?
I see pollution.
Pollutions, good.
I can see a little kid probably looking for food.
Looking for food,
Having problems with food, probably famines.
good. Yeah. So, why do you think the kid is looking for food? As you see, she should be in the school. But what kind of problem do you see in that?
It could be linked to many problems, and all of them are related. For example, overpopulation.
Overpopulation, yes.
Sometimes leads to problems with the economy. And that's why some parents are not sending their kids to schools, and they prefer to send them to look for food. And the only place where they can look for food is in the garbage.
In the garbage, yes. As you see, first we can see here in the picture that the kid is not in school. Probably that is because of poverty, because they don't have the economic resources to be sent to the school. Another problem that we can see in the picture is because of the, let's say, the high rates of poverty, they have to go to garbage and look for food in order to eat. Right? Okay, good. Thank you very much. Okay, now let's move on to some common problems that we are facing in El Salvador. And the purpose of this activity is to present and discuss some common problems Salvadorians face nowadays. Okay, the instructions, I'm going to present an information. Then you are going to read it. And finally, we are going to discuss it. Okay?
Very
Good. Alright. Can you read it for me, please?
Yeah, urbanization is something that every country faces at one point or another, and many developing countries are experiencing. Urbanization is an indicator worth analyzing in the context of the Salvador, as it becomes increasingly problematic, specifically in terms of poverty, violence, and health.
Okay, what can you tell me about this?
The truth is that we don't have laws that regulate the growth of population in El Salvador. We don't have good educational system.
Yes.
People do not get informed about sexual education, and that's why we're growing. We're expanding too fast.
Exactly.
And that's becoming a problem.
Yeah, it's becoming a problem because the more houses or the more people lives in a place, so it means the more people is destroying the environment, right? Can you read the next one, please?
Yes. Problems arise, however, when cities begin to be or to get overcrowded, and the poor create squatting communities along the outside of the cities. The living conditions in these communities are terrible.
Okay, it says problems arise, however, when cities begin to get overcrowded. What can you tell me, or what can you tell to the class about this?
it's what I told you before. The more people that are in a city, the less resources we can get for our families.
Exactly, yes. Because the more people, like you said before, the more people in a community, let's say, is, the less resources available for everybody will be, right? Okay, good. And I have another problem that I'd like you to discuss in general. All right, those are some common problems. What can you understand about major infectious diseases?
It could be like
Viruses?
like the flu or AIDS that is now affecting us.
The AIDS. What is AIDS for you?
AIDS is like this type of disease that affects your organisms and affect the defenses of your body,
Okay.
and it leaves you like vulnerable. And if you don't get the right treatment, you will most likely die in a short period of time.
Okay. Yes. And the second one, common problem that we have is urban violence and crime. Okay. So thank you for your help with this class. Thank you very much. Okay.